guys, so today we are going to be shooting videos of the condos here in Webb's Preserve. We're showing you condos that are actually in Babcock National right now because the condominiums over in Webb's Preserve are not finished yet. But we're going to go through 3 different floor plans and show you the insides of each one of them, and golf is included with all of these in Webb's Preserve, so just keep that in mind when you're going to make a purchase. You do have golf included in these. My name's Feltis. I get calls from people like you all the time. I'm looking to make a move here to Southwest Florida. I love helping you guys. So give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Let's talk about your real estate needs. And also hit that like and subscribe button right there so you can get the latest videos on everything related to real estate in Southwest Florida. Okay, so today I'm here with my buddy Sean, and he is a Lennar rep, and he's going to give us a tour of the 3 different floor plans in the condominiums. And we're going to start with the smallest and go to the largest so that you can see what these entail. So with that, we're going to get started.
Hey everybody, these are called Terrace Condominiums. The first one we're going to look at today is the Arbor model. This is about 1,100 square feet. It is the smallest, but I think the layout is actually among the best. Let's take a look. As we come in, really we have 2 separate islands here with seating in both islands, as well as what I really love is this window up front. You're bringing all that natural light into the unit. You've got this great look across at the dining, living area, right out the back at the huge view of golf and water. Love it. Over here, we do have a split floor plan. We've got your guest room up front with that bathroom just off of it. Super nice sized great room. Looking right out the magnificent view, screen lanai. And then we just segue over to the master bedroom. Really nice size here with king size bed and a rear view window at the view. One of the reasons I love this unit.
Okay, so that is the Arbor model, and now we're going to go next to the
Brookdale.
Brookdale. So let's take a look at that one.
All right, guys, Brookdale. This is 1,200 square feet and very, very popular layout as well. We're 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. This one's got both bedrooms forward in the unit with everything else in the living space off the back. So as we come in, we've got the owner suite just to your right.
Just for clarification, Sean, are these units in
Webb's Reserve.
Webb's Reserve? Are they going to be quartz or granite countertops?
Quartz countertops, so bathrooms tops will all be the white quartz. Really spacious here. Kitchen looking into the great room. Nice big island. Stainless steel appliances. Again, quartz countertops. White sugar cabinets. Good thing to point out too is on these lanais on these buildings, they're all staggered so nobody sees the other person. So when you go out here, you'll see you don't look at another patio.
And again, with all these units, you're going to have great golf and lake views. Okay, so that is the Brookdale. Where are we going to next, Sean?
Carolina.
All right, Sean, tell us a little bit about the Carolina.
All right, guys, this is the biggest of the 3 units at 1,300 square feet. It's 3 full bedrooms and 2 baths. This one is always the end unit on any of the building. It goes 3 stories high on each side. Both guest bedrooms are up front here.
So as you can see, this bedroom that we just came out of here in the front has access to the side, but it can be the door can be shut so that you have privacy, but you also have access from the other area. This is your washer and dryer area right up front as well. And to clarify, Sean, you did say that these are all impact doors and windows for these units, correct?
Right, so don't have to worry about any shutters, impact glass, sliders, and windows.
And this is the master. They just had this set up as a sales center. So this would be where your bed would go and your furniture. As in all of the other ones, you have 2 separate closets. Looks like all of them have about the same size shower and bathroom areas. Is there any difference to the size of the lanais for these units?
If it is, it's just marginal.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all about the same size.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video from the Arbor, the Brookdale, and the Carolina. And these are the condos that you can purchase here in Webb's Preserve. So give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. Let's talk about your real estate needs.